So may I give a Jamaican word today and you give me a Nigerian Igbo word. Right? Ready? Me no in a way you in a. Just say what you
Say
hear.
that again, please.
Somebody say Jamaicans are actually Nigerians living in Jamaica because our energy are not that far apart. Today we have a Nigerian brother and we're just gonna talk to him and see how far or how near the culture is. Good evening, my brother. What is your name and where in Nigeria are you from?
Good evening, my friend and my brother. I am from southeastern Nigeria.
Okay.
Tribally, we are Igbos. And
Igbos.
my name is Blessing Agoha.
Your name is Blessing. So when you pray to God and beg him for blessing, I saw it there. All I come right here, sir. So if you were to be in Jamaica for 1 week with one Nigerian dish, what would it be?
We have a popular soup with a
Swallow.
juicy soup or vegetable soup.
Okay, wonderful. So may I give a Jamaican word today and you give me a Nigerian Igbo word. Right? Ready? Me no in a way you in a. Just say what you
Say
hear.
that again, please.
Me no in a way you in a. Alright, so I said me no inna where you inna means I'm not into what you're into. Give me your Nigerian phrase or word.
Okay. Imena Pole, and that is, how are you doing?
Let me see if I can say Ino Obole.
Imena Pole, how are you doing? That's my deepest Owerri dialect.
Alright, my brother, blessings. Alright, cool. Thank you for talking with us today. Remember, when you look for all of the blessings, yes, so them big up Mr. Blessing all the way from Nigeria. Tribe is what?
More blessings.
What is your tribe? Igbo tribe. Big up all Igbo tribe. All Igbo tribe people are Nigerian people. Big up yourself. 876 culture out in the streets. Zane, feel the culture, wear the culture, be the culture. Big up.
Culture.
Blessings.